Hey guys, you're welcome again to my YouTube channel, and today I'm doing a video for those that have saggy earlobes. Yeah, if you have been noticing that you have your earlobes are stretching, are almost splitting, you're having issues, pains, injuries on your earlobe, this video is for you. Please watch this video because it could really help you fix your earlobes right there at home. What you're going to do right now is to help me to like this video and click the subscribe button. Sit back, relax, and have a good time on this channel. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to do right now is, if you're still wearing heavy earrings, if you're still wearing big earrings, what you're going to do right now is to remove them. Take them off your ears. Let your ears take some rest. Give it some break. Let it rest a little. Of these heavy and chunky earrings you love to wear, you love to fly around with, you love to show the world that you have beautiful earrings, but your ears are hurting. Your beautiful ears are hurting. They are crying for care. So this is what you're going to do. Take them off right now and let it rest. Tip 2 is, your earlobes are now free and now resting. Take honey, good honey, in your home and massage them with your earlobes. Massage them very softly on the soft part of your ear where you put your earrings. Massage them very carefully. Massage them very carefully, the two parts of your ears. Do it as often as you can to help it regain its strength, its structure, and as it used to be. Okay, when you do that, let it rest again. I know you think that I will say you cannot wear your big earrings, but please let it rest again. Take some time off the big, chunky, heavy earrings. Now let's get to tip 3. This is what you do. You go and get a clip earring. A clip earring which clips at the back, because when you wear such earrings that clips at the back, it helps hold your earlobes up and stops it from sagging. Or you get stud earrings like this. Stud earrings like this. You would not even remember you're wearing earrings like this. Very lightweight, just as light as paper. Get them, and where you can wear them out. Stud earrings, there are bigger sizes than this, there are smaller sizes than this, but because you're treating your earlobes, don't make it big. Make it very small, and make sure it's tight on your earlobes, no saggy. Then your ears can have earrings once again. Yay! Okay, let's go to tip number 4. Okay, so the 4th tip is, do not wear earrings to bed. No matter how small, no matter how tiny, because we are caring for these beautiful earlobes of yours and we still want to rock your jewelries. Please do not sleep with your jewelry pieces. Do not sleep with any earrings on, no matter how small, no matter how tiny. Avoid sleeping with earrings on. What happens is that your earrings goes this way and it goes this way and it keeps turning, and you don't know, it's weakening the soft tissue that is here already. It's weakening it. So this is what you can do to help your earlobes develop its strength, its form and structure back and faster, so you can keep rocking your jewelry pieces. All right, so please, there is another step that I want you to take. If you still miss your big chunky earrings, please get one of those earlobe supporters on Amazon, on websites. They have it very affordable, very cheap to get it. It's like a hook on the back. Just find it and get it and use it to wear your earrings, so it supports it and pushes it up and stops your earlobes from sagging. So do this and you would like your earlobes more. But if your earlobes have already split, they've already divided into 2 and it's really bad, I would suggest you go see a plastic surgeon to help you stitch it back as new. Or they could, if your earlobes are just saggy, just really saggy, they could also give you some dermal fillers to help it post the confidence, and you're good to go. If you got value for this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have other suggestions on how you have been able to care for your earlobes, please drop it in the comment section below. There will be women like you, women like me, that would want to know what you did to take care of your earlobes. Personally, I stick to stud earrings or very small earrings like this, and I have shared my tips. Please do share yours in the comment section. Until next time, peace.